D's ready. The rally build at Encina Bicycles. Here we've got Big D right there. Hey, alright. This is the only place. It's all going to be costless. So find your share of trees. The only place that you can actually roll the shorts over. We consider the shit for right here, bro.
I rolled in California Peddler at 77 after playing tennis in some tennis shorts. And the guy.
Women voice is not heard. But
That's right, every word. It's like the opposite direction.
No.
I like boss hogging it like this, you know, at the end marks hella high.
So where do you want to cut it?
So once all the spaces are on, we can cut it right at the tip.
Okay, so you want to cut it right here? Oh, it's all spaces.
It's all the spaces.
I've heard people say.
And later on, I'll throw spaces above it or something, depending on which.
What do you mean you can't throw spaces above it?
No, later on when I...
Would you cut it? It's first cut.
No, but I'm saying in terms of if you get the height right here, I can play around with the height.
Oh, so you want me to do it just like that?
Just right, yeah, right there. So then, you know, later on, if you
It doesn't seem to me like it's enough.
The white's kind of close. I mean, it's a little bit muddier. It's a little bit muddier. The
really close.
Sky white, but
It's not enough.
you know, I bet you this white right here.
Difference though.
That
It's
white,
really weird for me.
that white's probably the fucking white you're looking at. That.
For those floating down, thinking that that's how they club.
Is it tight or what? I'm about to break it loose a little bit.
Source I see hot like females with a cot included. Put a sidewalk in all your linear math, you'll stop losing. Even when you soft bank, pack the brand, certainly start to flow. Rockin' steady, breaking span. I'm full circle in the Air Force. Ready to strong, computer lights moving like nobody can pop. Certainly funk lock. The genius of hip hop, kung fu, capoeira, modern martial arts. Highly advanced art, head spins, dances, not just ballet and leggings. The body is poetry, not weapons. Communicate.